Hello, and welcome to the Mobilit channel. When assembling wheels, the center can become slightly misaligned due to errors in the wheel truing stand. To correct this, a tool called a wheel alignment gauge, or centering gauge, is used. First, let's set up the dishing tool on the non-drive side. Attach the gauge securely without any gaps. Now, fix the gauge in place. Move the dishing tool to the opposite position. The measurement shows a gap of about 4 mm. To calculate the rim displacement distance, division by 2 equals 2 mm rim displacement distance. Now we only need to move the rim by 2 mm. Adjust the position of the rim by tightening the left nipple once and loosening the opposite nipple once. This will allow the rim to move without changing the tension of the spokes. Before starting the job, label the spokes and check the starting and ending positions to ensure accuracy. Start the inspection again from the beginning. There should be no gap on the drive side, and if the measurement distances on both sides are equal, the rim is perfectly centered. Did this video help you? Subscribing, liking, and commenting are a great help in creating more videos. Thank you for watching, and this is Dr. Road from Mobilit.